welcome back to the channel. All right, so turning your long YouTube videos or videos into short is now very easy using FlexClip AI tool. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy it is for you to turn your long videos or boring videos into viral short. And this is actually cool because a lot of time you take you need to have addicting skills, or you need to take a lot of time to do this, but now it's actually very easy using one of the best tool in FlexClip. Now this is just a new release and I want to show you how it works. We want to try it out, and one amazing thing is that you can turn your YouTube videos through link, or you can use your direct videos, or whichever way, and you're gonna get a pro-like result. You don't need any editing knowledge or so. All you just need to do is to upload your video and let FlexClip AI do the job for you. So let's go ahead. You can head over to FlexClip using the link in the description or in one in the comment section, and you're going to see that it's actually the new long to short, that is long videos into short. So let's go try it out. So I'm going to click on long to short, and it's going to take us to where we are going to convert our, yes, and as you can see how it is. And you can also go for their subscription, which is actually very cheap for the now, so you can try us. Now you can see it wrote paste, please paste a YouTube link. Okay, so this is my recent file and it takes history, so you can rename, you can delete. So let's just delete that. Now it says browse file. You can browse the one inside your computer. Okay, you can browse files inside your computer, and you can also choose file from your Google Drive. But I already copied a YouTube link of one of my video, and I'm going to paste it right here. So Ctrl V. So here we are. Now it's the video is about AI Beamer Retouch 3, a free AI and skin retouch. So that's what it's about, and it's a long video on like 8 minutes or so. And yeah, I want FlexClip to do a very viral short for me, so I have to choose. Once I choose where FlexClip is going to copy or get the video, I'm going to choose the text language, which is English. Clip type, you choose auto, but I want to select key point. Okay, so I can choose highlight, I can choose key points, or tutorial step. So it depends on the one you want. And AI Beamer Retouch is about just a new plugin, so I'm not going to use tutorial step by steps. I want to talk about the product future. So let's click on this, or let's even click on the highlight. And duration, I wanted 1 minute, which is 30 to 60 seconds. Ratio, I want it like this. The effect, I want this one. So you can also capture specific moment and select the highlights, but no, but now we have 8 minutes. Okay, so it depends on what you are doing. So once I do that, I just need to click on generate, and let's see how long FlexClip is going to handle the situation for us. So click generate, and it's going to take all this. All you just need to do is to wait. All right, so now we have 4 different viral shorts we can post on our YouTube channel, and this is the first one, this is the second one. It even gives us the title we can use, and this is the second, this is the third, and this is the fourth. All right, so you can publish it on your channel, you can download it and post it by yourself, and you can also trim and open it in editor, FlexClip editor, and do more workflow on it. So let me know what you think about this AI tool on FlexClip, the new release. And also you can try it out, like I said, in the description. The link is there, and also in the comment section. Please do well to check this out, as it is amazing and it's a must for those who are YouTubers and like to convert their long videos into short but don't know how to go about it. Alright guys, see you in the next one. You're gonna see long to short. So it's a paste, please paste a YouTube link, or you use your browser. So one thing is you can paste it directly from your YouTube link. You can browse the video and do that yourself. So I will advise you to try both. So we're going to try both in this one. So let's go to browse file, and I'm going to head over to video and upload this. So now it's actually uploaded. So once you upload, you're going to choose the text language, and for this one it's English. You can also choose other languages to get across to other countries. You can choose your duration. You can choose auto, 1 minute to 180 minutes. So let's choose automatic and leave it the way. Clip type, you can use auto as well, or you want to highlight the question and answer clip, the type you want. So you can also choose key point. All right, so let's try the key point and ratio 9:6, which is the ratio of your screen. So this type of subtitle, I like to choose this one, which is the blue one, and it said capture specific moment or select. Alright, so the final result is here, and you can see it's actually giving you frame by frame what's going on. And you can come here and download and then merge it together. Also, we need to go about stressing ourselves. It's going to do that for us now. I'm going to do one more. I hope this video is helpful for you. I'll be looking at how to convert your long video into short.